These maple pecan cookies are so addictive. The maple syrup gives them a chewy, almost sticky texture. They are full of chopped pecans and you get so much flavor from the maple, brown sugar, and vanilla. They are the perfect fall treat and stay soft for days. And they would go great with ice cream. Let me show you how to make them. First, mix your dry ingredients: 145 grams of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon baking soda, and a half teaspoon salt. Whisk well and set aside. In a large bowl, cream together a half stick of softened butter with a half cup of dark brown sugar. You can do this with a spoon because brown sugar doesn't cream with butter the way white sugar does. Now add 1 egg yolk and mix till incorporated. Now add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup and a teaspoon of vanilla and mix. Add an eighth to a quarter teaspoon maple extract if desired. Now gently fold in the dry ingredients. Then add a half cup of finely chopped pecans. Walnuts would also be good here. Chill dough till firm enough to roll into balls. Then roll into 15 to 17 balls and chill again for at least an hour. Preheat oven to 350 degrees and place balls 2 inches apart on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake 9 to 10 minutes or until set. Cool 10 minutes before removing from the cookie sheet. Enjoy.